Internet of Things makes our cars driverless, our homes connected, our cities smart, and factories run seamlessly. Artificial intelligence combined with IoT data is where the business value is created. Imagine yourself in the driverless world. I will teach you to pivot your career and innovate in your business using IoT, AI, and autonomous vehicles. Let's begin your journey with me today. This year for IoT Day, I am going to bring you interviews from around the world, all streaming at 9 a.m. at various time zones, starting from China, so 9 a.m. in China, 9 a.m. in India, then 9 a.m. in Dubai, then we go to Europe and we actually have multiple interviews, so it'll be 9, 10, 11 maybe in Europe, then 9 a.m. in Africa, then we come to America and I'll have one from New York again, and then Vancouver, and then I'll wrap up with IoT Slam, where I'm going to do a live stream at 2 p.m. EU's time. This is my vision, what I call as the driverless world, where IoT meets autonomous vehicles. And all the different interviews are going to show you different aspects of this driverless world or how we can get to the driverless world. Special thanks to Raj from India and Patrick Slavenburg from Amsterdam for doing more interviews in their time zones to add more interesting speakers this year. Rob Van Kranenburg, the founder of IoT Council, is the visionary behind this whole IoT Day. So let's hear from him. What is IoT Day about? And what is he seeing that we should expect for this year's IoT Day?
So hi, I'm Rob Van Kranenburg, and I founded Council, which is an Internet of Things think tank in 2009. And in 2010, I got the idea to start the IoT Day. And I picked the date April 9 for no reason, but it was a good day, as any day would be a good day for Internet of Things. And every year now, across the planet, people have self-organized all kinds of events, from having a lunch with somebody that you know, with having a dinner or having a seminar or a conference, or basically any conversation around our world becoming smart. And the world's becoming smarter as we speak. There's more devices, there's more connectivity, and everywhere around us and everywhere on the planet, we see that this Internet of Things is not something that will go away. It's something that's here to stay. I think it's a good thing because it's bringing us tremendous transparency in decision making everywhere. But at the moment, this transition towards this decision making is being harnessed in, let's say, a lot of bubbles, and they can either be by national governments or they can be by big companies, and needs to become more of a citizen thing. It needs to become more grassroots. And we need a very good balance between the centralization that we need in our infrastructures and services and the decentralization that we need in the services that people will want. And then I think the data coming from all of these devices and services and infrastructures should stay with people, with groups of people. And people are beginning to understand that this is not just a new gadget, it's not just a new application or service. It's actually becoming what democracy means. It's actually becoming a decision-making at the highest level of politics. And so in its 10th year, there's a lot of people who are able to build this kind of third way in between the huge stakeholders that we see are building these things. We need to build a way for ourselves, and in order to do that, we need to talk. And so we need to have debates and discussions about what it all means to be human, and to be a democratic individual, to have democracy in this full connectivity. And that's what I hope we'll be debating this year. So stay tuned on IOTDay.org. Add your event, because it's free and you can simply add it, and join in.
And how many events are happening across how many countries?
Last year we had about 60 or 70. Is that we have big companies chipping in. IBM Watson is always there, which is great. We've got loan entrepreneurs. We've got Barbara IoT. So we got lots of companies, lots of SMEs, lots of big companies, loan engineers. We got a lot of people from universities, educational institutes. Sort of, it's a huge mix of people that are doing things with IoT. And this year we also see a lot of activity coming from Africa. So we have an IoTDay Ghana, Lagos, and this is just massively interesting as it's happening.
Yeah, but I'm actually going to do a Skype session at IoTDay Lagos.
Perfect. Yeah. I'm going to be in Shenzhen. I'm going to be in China. In the we're going to have the IoTDay there in the Open Innovation Lab of David Lee, and so I'm very much looking forward to having the IoTDay in Shenzhen.
That's awesome. Thank you, Rob.